anong symptoms ng feel mo sa buhay?
Kami joke na.
May sakit akong dugan, kag doon hindi ko kaginawa. Gaubo ka mo.
Wala man. Pero daw ano pwede bulong.
Wala siya sang bulong, pero pwede ka man kagamit sang inhaler para malasan ang asthma. What is asthma? Asthma is a chronic disease that affects the airways in the lungs. The airways are tubes that carry in and out of your lungs. If you have asthma, your airways can become inflamed and narrowed at times. Asthma can also occur when the body's natural defenses against germs and sickness react strongly to a new substance in the lungs. For some people, exposure to Aspergillus spores doesn't cause any health problems. However, in individuals with asthma is not contagious. Its causes are largely unknown, but researchers have determined that asthma can be caused by both hereditary and environmental factors.
Pancreas tumors are kind of non-small cell lung cancer that originated in the upper region of the lungs. Pancreas tumors are generally generated by the proliferation of aberrant cells in lung tissue, which is frequently connected with long-term exposure to cigarette smoke or other toxins. Lung cancer, especially pancreas tumors, is not contagious and cannot spread from person to person. Symptoms include shoulder discomfort, arm pain, chest pain, trouble swallowing, and paralysis or numbness in the afflicted artery.
Basta may tuberculosis ka?
What is tuberculosis? Tuberculosis is one of the infectious diseases that typically affect lungs. This virus usually spreads through the air when sick people cough or sneeze. It is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Medication is usually used to treat tuberculosis, a disease that can be fatal if left untreated.
Pneumothorax or collapsed lung is a medical condition where a large amount of trapped air collects around the lung, but within the pleural cavity. It is caused by Aspergillus fumigatus. It occurs when air accumulates between the parietal and visceral pleura inside the chest. Intensive pressure on the lungs and disease is associated with secondary spontaneous pneumothorax. It is often caused when already existing disease, injury, or an accident near the lung area. A collapsed lung is not contagious. It does not spread through direct nor indirect human contact. Its signs and symptoms include chest or shoulder pain, tight chest, shortness of breath, rapid change of the heart rate, difficulty in breathing, and suddenly collapsing. Its target age group is between 20 to 30 years of age. Pneumothorax or collapsed lung has no home remedies. Pneumothorax or a collapsed lung has no home remedy. You should immediately go to the hospital if you experience the signs and symptoms mentioned above.
Pulmonary arterial hypertension happens when the pressure in the blood vessels leading from the heart to the lungs is too high. With pulmonary hypertension, the blood vessels to the lungs develop an increased amount of muscle in the wall of the blood vessels. Some common underlying causes of pulmonary hypertension includes high blood pressure in the lungs, arteries due to some types of congenital heart disease. Changes in a gene passed down through families are called heritable pulmonary arterial hypertension. Heart problems present at birth called a congenital heart defect. There is no home remedy for pulmonary hypertension. Go!
Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and share this video.
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo boo a boo ba do ba do boo boo a do ba do ba do do ba 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 do boo boo a boo ba do ba do.